Hello student, how are you? Fine. In earlier video we finished our chapter 6, our tree, but this is the part of the chapter 6. So we explain the chapter 6 part B, Murli's mango tree, and Murli's mango tree is finished. Then after I send you the PDF of the test and you have to write in the ES test copy. Now when you got the PDF of the test, then you have to write in the test copy and you see the in homework app. Okay, असाइनमेंट के बाजू में जो होमवर्क है ना वो क्लिक करोगे ना तो आपको जो टेस्ट की PDF है वो मिल जाएगी और आपको डेट लगा के वो टेस्ट कॉपी में लिखना है. ओके, क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? नाउ मैंगो ट्री. वन डे मुरली एट अ मैंगो. वन मुरली इज अ मैन. ही एट अ मैंगो. He threw the seeds behind his house. After the eating mango, he threw the seeds behind the house. उसने क्या किया? मैंगो खाया और जो उसका सीड्स, आपको पता है ना मैंगो में से सीड्स में क्या निकलता है, बड़ा सा निकलता है ना, वो उसने घर के पीछे डाला. Many months later, he saw a plant. इसके बाद बहुत मंथ गुजर गए और उसने एक छोटा सा प्लांट देखा. He watered the plant every day. Then after what the Murli do? Murli watered the plant every day. वो जो प्लांट देखा उसको हर रोज वो पानी डालता गया. The plant grew into the big tree. और slowly the plant grows into the big tree. धीरे धीरे जो प्लांट है वो बड़ा होने लगा और बड़ा सा ट्री बन गया. Every summer many mangoes grow in it. और जो समर सीजन आती है, हर समर सीजन में उसके ऊपर वो प्लांट, वो ट्री के ऊपर बड़ी बड़ी मैंगो ग्रो होती है ना. आपको पता है ना कि मैंगो जो होती है वो समर सीजन में मिलती है. आप सब एंजॉय करते हो मैंगो, है ना. मैंगो खाने में हम सब एंजॉय करते हैं समर सीजन में, क्योंकि समर सीजन में मोस्टली वेजिटेबल्स बहुत कम मिलते हैं. तो उसके बिसाइड्स में क्या मिलता है? मैंगो. तो हम मैंगो खा के भी अपना जो समर सीजन है वो पास करते हैं विदाउट वेजिटेबल. तो एवरी समर मैनी मैंगोज ग्रो इन इट. समर में उसके ऊपर बहुत बड़ी बड़ी अच्छी अच्छी मैंगो ग्रो होने लगी. नाउ मुरलीज चिल्ड्रन ईट द मैंगोज. और मुरली जो है उसके जो बच्चे हैं, उसके चिल्ड्रन है, वो हर रोज मैंगो खा के एंजॉय करते हैं. नाउ इट इज द पार्ट ऑफ द मुरलीज मैंगो ट्री एंड इट इज द चैप्टर 6 पार्ट बी. सो आई हैव रिटन हियर पार्ट बी. सो डोंट मेक इट कंफ्यूजन कि वेयर इज द मुरलीज ट्री, which unit is this? This is the part of the unit 6. I have again write here it is the chapter 6 part. Right? Okay. Now we see the workbook, page number 102. Open everybody first page number 102 of the ES workbook. Take out the marigold. Okay, and open page number 102. Now here is the 102 page. I have written on the board and this is the write the correct option in the box. We have to do the correct option in the box. Okay students, I have already explained you lesson, then you give the answer. I am not giving answer. I ask you, then you speak loudly at home. Okay, now first number, Murli ate a, what the Murli ate? Blanks, and it is the box. Option A, banana. B, grapes. C, mango. D, apple. What the Murli ate? Murli ate the mango. मैंने पता है मुरली ने मैंगो खाया और उसका सीड्स घर के पीछे डाला. राइट? तो here is the option C, mango. We have to underline below the mango and here we have to write the option C. Clear? Okay. Now second number. Murli threw the blanks behind his house. What did the Murli threw? What did the Murli threw? Just give the answer fast. It is the mango. A number. B number plant. C number seeds. And D number tree. What did the Murli throw? It is through the seeds. Right? So we have to do underline below the seeds, and in the fill in the blanks we have to write seed, and here is the option C. Right? Third number, Murli threw the seed blanks his house. Murli threw the seeds blanks his house. Where the Murli threw the seeds? On his house, behind his house, in his house, in front of the house. Then Murli threw the seeds behind his house, है ना, उसके घर के पीछे डाला. Then here we write the option B, and here we write the behind. Okay. Now 4 number. Many months later, Murli show a blanks. After the so many months pass away, what did the Murli show? Murli show a seeds. B number mango, C number tree, D number plant. Many months later, Murli show the plant. Right? Then here is the, we see, write the plant and option D. Right? Okay, 5 number. Murli watered the blanks every day. What did the Murli watered? Murli watered a plant, B tree, C mango, D seed. Then Murli, after the many months later, Murli saw the big plant, and then after Murli has to water the plant. Right? So you have to write here, underline below the plant, and here we write the plant, and option is A. Right? Now 6 number. The plants grew into a blanks. The plant grew into, when the plants is grow more and more, then what tree has to sow it? It is the coconut tree, it is the mango tree, C number lemon tree, and D number apple tree. When you sow the seed of the mango, then definitely it is the grew the mango tree. If you put the seeds of the coconut, then also it is grew the coconut. So Murli has ate the mango and grew the seeds of the mango. So definitely it is grew the mango tree. So here you underline below the mango tree. Here you write the option B, and here you write the mango tree. Right? Now 7 number. What grows on Murli's tree? After the when tree is bigger, then what grows the Murli tree? It is the A number coconuts grew, B number lemons grew, C number mangoes grew, D number apples grew. Then it is the mango grew. Right? So here is the option C, and you write the option in the box C. Right? Now 8 number. Mangoes grow in a blanks. Where does the mango grow? In which season mango grow? I explain you. When the summer season comes, then the mango grow. Right? So A number autumn, B number summer, C number monsoon, D number winter. Then which season mango grew? It is the summer season. So we have to underline below the summer, and here we write the summer, and in the box we have to write the B option. Okay. Now 9 number. Now Murli's blanks eat the mangoes. After the summer season, when the mangoes grew more and more, Who ate the mango? It is the A number animals ate, B number neighbors ate, C number children ate, and D number friends. Then Murli's, who has the eat the mango? It is the Murli's children eat the mango. So here underline below the children, and we have to write here children and option C. Okay students, this is the your choose the correct word. Now open the page number 103 and one picture is given. Here look at here. One picture is given, right? Look at the picture, read the sentence and tick mark, write the correct word. Okay, you have to see the picture. Some boys and girls, some children are playing in the park. I think it is the park picture. Some trees are there, clouds, sun is shining, birds fly and flowers is grow, butterfly is there. So many good pleasant picture is there. Now first number, Nina, Raj, Nitin and Amar are in the park or school. So it is in the park. It is the picture of the park. है ना, park का picture है. Now it is sunny or rainy day. Now look at here, sun is shining. So it is the sunny day. Right? Now 3 number, there are 2 plants oblique trees in the park. Then there are 1 and 2 trees. Trees are there in the park. Now Tina is going down up the slide. Where is the Tina? Here is the Tina. And Tina is going down to the slide. Slide में से टीना नीचे उतर रही है. देखो पिक्चर में देखा सबने. Now Nitin is enjoying on a slide or swing. So here is the Nitin. Nitin is enjoying. Tina is on the slide and Nitin is on the swing. So Nitin is enjoying the swing. So underline below the swing. Now Raj has bat ball in his hand. Raj, it is the Raj and ball is in the hand. So we have to underline below the ball. Now he is playing with his dog cat. Then here cat is there. So underline below the cat. Right? Now there is cat dog near the slide. Then there is a cat. Cat near the slide. So we have to underline below the cat. Birds are flying sitting in the park. Birds are flying. Look at the picture. So many birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 birds seen in the picture and birds are flying in the park. So this is the picture of the park and we have to finish our lesson here. So you have to do practice of the choose the correct word at home. Bye bye.